Guys, so I thought that I would vlog doing a little bit of a spa day. I have these toner tabs that I haven't used from Lush. I have 2 of them, and I was going to use one tonight, and then I'm going to do a face mask and all that fun stuff. So I thought I would just vlog it because I'm in the vlogging mood, so yeah. Okay, so I have never done one of these toner tabs before. I'm sitting in my bathroom, and I'm just going to wing this, okay? Okay, hopefully that's good. So I just put this bowl of water in the microwave, and then I'm gonna stick this in it, and supposedly it's supposed to like fizzle. I don't know, maybe I'll show you guys. It has a T on it, and then you stick this towel over your head, and then you do it. So let me show you what it looks like when I stick it in. Oh, whoa. If you can see, there's like steam coming from it, and my water is turning green. This has like essential oil in it or something, and it's supposed to make your skin feel really rejuvenated. And I'm sticking this towel over my head, and because that's what you're supposed to do. I don't really know how long you're supposed to sit here, so maybe it's until the water cools down. I really don't know. Oh my god, this is gonna be so boring, just sitting here. I don't know what you're supposed to. This is a struggle. What are you supposed to do? Is the water even still hot? Yeah, it is. Oh my god, I just burned my finger. Okay. Update. I literally have no idea if this is doing anything. Like, I feel the heat, but like, I don't feel it getting on my skin. So I'm so confused. I'm gonna have to like look up like the correct way to do this, because I don't know what I'm doing. Like, this is not doing anything, like, at all. Okay, so apparently there's supposed to be like a ton of steam coming off of this, but there like isn't anymore, so that could be the problem. I don't know. I'm gonna keep trying and hope for the best. So I ended up like completely putting the towel like over the bowl, like to over here, so where nothing else could get in, and it was actually kind of working. Like, my skin does feel a lot better than it did, but like I feel like I didn't do it right, so maybe I'll do it better with this one whenever the next time I do it is. It kind of hurt my neck a little, and I have a cold, so like going like this is not helping. So yeah, let's just move on. So now I'm gonna do a face masks. I got 2 of these for Christmas from my friend Peyton. This one is from Walgreens, and it's the Nourish Face Mask with oatmeal and avocado oil, and it's for clear skin. And then I also got one with bamboo charcoal and sugarcane extract, and it says that it absorbs oil and dirt, and it's a clay mask. So I'm gonna use this one because I need to clear my skin. I do want to say though that I have been using this. I've used this a few times, and my skin looks like a lot more even than it did, but the acne is not really going away, so I'm gonna see if this helps. But I do like that this is like a reusable one, because I hate the ones that come like in the packages. You have to like scoop them out because they get everywhere and they're messy. But these are really nice because they come in like this little like face, I don't know what these are called, bottle thingies. So I really like it because it's reusable, and it's not like a one-time thing. Like, I can use this a bunch of times during the week if I want to, which is pretty cool. So I also have a cold, so if I sound disgusting, I'm sorry. All my hair's out of my face. I might put a headband on. No, let's put a headband on. Okay, everything's a struggle today. Okay. Oh, it looks so good. I hate this lighting. It's so annoying. I don't know why it's so bright. I'm gonna put this on my face now. Okay, so I'm putting about this much on my fingers, and I'm gonna use the mirror because the lighting over here is so awful. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more on. Okay, I'm gonna put on one more layer of this before it dries, and then it just says to allow the mask to dry and then remove, so there's no specific time limit. Okay, so I have this on, and I can feel it starting to dry. I have about like 2-ish layers of the mask on, and again, it looks like this. I really sound really gross. I'm sorry. I'm just not feeling it. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then when I am done, it says to remove it with warm water, and then I'm gonna put on one of these eye Orby masks because I have a ton of them and I never use them. I actually think there's one like chilling in my freezer. Chilling in my freezer. But I think it's been in there forever, so I'm gonna use that one if it's in there, and then if not, I'll let the other one cool and then use it. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, and then I will see you guys soon. Okay, my skin feels so much better after that. Now I'm gonna do one of those eye mask things, so hopefully there is one in my freezer. I'm really hoping. Okay, so there was not one in my freezer, so I'm gonna have to grab one and put it in there, so it's probably gonna have to be in there for a while. I have like 4 of these. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my mask to get cold, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower, and then I'm gonna do my mask and drink some tea. Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower. Now I'm gonna go downstairs, I'm gonna make some tea, and I'm gonna get my eye mask out of the freezer. Hopefully it's nice and cold. So this ended up being done. I'm gonna put it on. It's not super cold, but it will do. I've had this for years, so the Orbeez are like getting bad, but here we go. So if you've never used one of these, you can put them, you can do it hot or cold. Cold feels really good on my skin. It's supposed to get around your eyes, like your eye bags and stuff. And then hot, I don't know what hot does, but I know you can warm it up in the microwave. But cold always feels so good on my skin. Okay guys, I'm extremely tired, so I'm gonna end the vlog here.